ako po yung yung Incredible Unity. So yung value po for me is like being gathering people. So how can you how can you unite people despite of being chaotic? As sa atin, parang paano mo mamahalin yung katrabaho mo na hindi mo gusto? Or paano mo iintindihin yung hindi ka intindihin tao? And to come up with common goals. Ayan. Paano mo sila bubudulin? So, for me, yung value na to is hindi lang parang ano sa akin, pero ito yung isa sa mga in-struggle ko as a working professional. Kasi it is one of my value na pinaghirapan intindihin at saka nahirapan akong mag-adjust. Ayan.
Totoo naman.